Yo, what's going on, Drama Dog Gang? It's your girl Dramatic Key, and I am back with another freaking video. So we are doing another entrepreneur vlog or whatever. I'm at Home Depot about to get some of those floating shelves for me to put up in the shop. I'm not sure how many I'm gonna get and what all it is that I'm going to get, but I know that I need some. I just went and got my other two tires done, and I left my camera at the house, so I'm vlogging on my phone. And actually, I mean, you know, it's the iPhone, so it's good quality. Let's talk about this hair bounce, baby. I didn't reflat on it. I just got a little pony at the top, and I put some flexi rods in it. You know, so I don't have to like put heat in my hair every day. So I'm about to go in here, and I'll take my camera out if I remember to, and buy these shelves, and then we're gonna go to the shop and put them up probably today. I don't know, because I do need to start bringing some of my new products up to the shop, and I want to like try to get stuff finished up in there, far as like my display stuff. I don't know, y'all. I'm just like, I really wish that I would have like probably got somebody to build another wall and like, you know, got stuff set up really cute. The shop is not bad. I mean, it's good for a starter shop, but it's like I want to put some more work into it, but I don't want to go backwards and then try to get a wall done and then have to like take all of this stuff out. I mean, it's not a lot of stuff in there, but still, like, I don't know. I just been feeling, I was feeling a little unmotivated, and then I started getting like remotivated all over again, you know. So I don't know, when you're an entrepreneur, these are just things that might happen, you know what I'm saying? You want your business to go right, you want your business to do good. I'm always trying to improve myself, improve everything that I do. Oh wait, before we finish into this video, if you have not checked out my new website, go ahead and check it out. It's linked inside my description box below. The website is coming along good. It looks so good. It is finally launched. I'm super excited about it. I've been getting a lot of traffic flow on there. I'm trying to convert that traffic flow into sales. If you have any feedback about my website, tell me what you think I should add in my website. That like, I'm trying to figure out what's throwing some people off from purchasing, you know what I'm saying? Honestly, it looks a lot better than the old website. If you ever been on my old website, you would know that this is a major professional looking upgrade. But anyways, I think you're trying to figure out who in this car, because you know people can't see in my car like that. They could see like up here, but they can't really see me. But and I ain't giving nobody no jump. Anyways, so yeah, but let me go ahead and go inside Home Depot, because I got a couple more things I need to do today, and I'll see y'all later on. Alright, so y'all, I just got up here. Now I have to move all of this stuff from off of this, because I'm gonna move this over here where my nail station is, so I have somewhere to like put some of this extra stuff that I have, because I have a lot of nail stuff. So yeah, and then I'm gonna put the shelves, over here in this little area, and I think I might put some over here as well. I'm not 100% sure yet, but yeah, I think I want to put one right here too, so when the client's sitting down, they have something to like look at, you know what I mean? So it'll make them want to like buy something. So yeah, I'm about to get started with that, and I'm gonna just like, you know, play some music and fast forward so y'all can like see what's going on. But I need to get the boxes out of the cart, and I need to move this. So yeah, let's get started. So I only have one sugar baby and one bag girl left. that you see, that you would be seeing as far as inventory, as far as the lashes, that's like all of the product that I have left for that. So this is where my shelves are gonna go. Boom, boom, bam. I gotta take that mirror down up there, and I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna put up there, but yeah, I did bring some more bonnet inventory for me to like fill up my racks, and then X, Y, and Z. So yeah. So I got these shelves from Home Depot right here. They have like the little thing for the brackets for you to sit them in. Now, I told y'all I've been going back and forth a lot with what I want to do with this massage table and stuff. I think I'm gonna take this down and not really promote for doing mink lashes right now, until I like build an extra wall and build some extra stuff up. I don't know, I'm gonna keep it in here, but I might just like tuck it away somewhere or whatever. I'll probably put it behind this shelf once I move this shelf over here, because it's taking up space and it's not being used on a regular, because I really just been doing a lot of nails. So yeah, that's how that is going. And oh, those should be fine if I just put the screws in here. Yeah, that should just be fine. So yeah, so we're gonna do that too today as well. And this is supposed to go behind here, because it's just like, it's too much, you know? It's too much. It's too much. So let me finish getting these shelves out the car, and then I gotta bring my box with the inventory stuff in, and then I'm about to start putting it up. Y'all, I got this cute little thing from Amazon that say nail take out. So I can stick it on my door on the outside, so when people come in, they'll know like what's going on in here. Oh, I love this phone case, y'all. I can just stand my phone up. Perfect. I have like the same phone case of both of my phones, so it's just like a little box trunk case like this. So I just got it standing up like that so y'all can see, which is perfect. y'all, that took me forever to do that one shelf. So I'm gonna finish these shelves up, and then I'm gonna be back on here when I'm ready to show y'all the finished results, because right now it's too much going on. That's just what it's looking like. Now I gotta straighten this stuff up. I gotta put this box back in my car, clean this up. I still want to figure out what I want to put down here in my display case or whatever, and how I want to set that up. Then I still need to set up this shelf right here, and figure out how I want to do these shelves, because they are in here, so I might as well put them to use. I might put one back there and make back there like, I want to kind of find some kind of way to like block off back here in any way possible, to kind of make it like a inventory space or whatever. I know up here I usually like will stick my purse back here. This fan is so hot. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and give that a try, and then I'll be back and show y'all what I have done so far, because this is a lot, and I've already recorded so much. But alright, so y'all, I'm finally done like setting stuff up. You know, I mean, every time I move stuff around, I always say it look good. Y'all don't mind this. This is gonna get fixed eventually. It was like this when I came in here, so we still got some work to do. But like every time I move something around or add something into here to make it look more like what I want it to look like, I always say that it looks good, because I'm still in the process of, you know, getting it right. So until it gets like right, you know, we still a work in progress, and it's absolutely nothing wrong with that. I am very proud and pleased with what was accomplished today. Those shelves look so good. I'm happy I got those, because y'all, my store hours are Thursday through Sunday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. but I stopped taking services at like 2 or 3 o'clock, I think at like 2 or whatever. So tomorrow is like the official opening for the weekend. So when people come in here to check out what I have, I want it to look good. I'm probably about to take this mirror down. I'm about to show y'all what I have done. Probably about to take this mirror down real quick before I show y'all, because I don't want that up. I don't want that up there. And then I have like the little pink mirror with the fur on there. I was gonna sell it, but I'm probably just gonna put it over there. I think it'll be cute. And then I got some little posters. Some little posters like that I use for advertisement for my sales. I'm gonna just put it right here on this. And yeah. Hello. So I moved the bookshelf that was over there, and I put it right here, and I kind of painted from the bottom down, because anybody don't really see, you know, the other half. And then over here, we're gonna start back here. This is just gonna be like my extra stuff that I don't want people to see space. And then I could probably like keep my purse and stuff back here, you know what I mean? So that way it's like tucked away. And then I have my AC unit thing over here. I still gotta get something to cover this up so it'll keep the heat, the AC inside. And I'm about to take this mirror down because I don't like it right there. So hold on, let me show y'all what it looked like without the mirror being up. So spots that I need to patch up, but this is how it looks without the mirror being up. Boom. Thinking about getting some letters from Walmart that say DK for Beauty, and then putting them up there. Whew, it's hot in here. Putting them along the top, the wall, and then these are just the shelves. This one was the first shelf I put up, and I kind of, you know, put it up a little wrong. So these lashes keep kind of like falling down, but they're on there. So I got the lashes, lash shampoo and spray sanitizer. Y'all, let me tell you something. When I went to Home Depot, I used my spray hand sanitizer to spray the cart handles because they wasn't wiping down the cart. So y'all get y'all some because it does come in handy. And then up here I just have my oils, the new oils. Boom, boom, bam. And then I have my hair oils and a display bonnet. And then right here I just have my nail polish slider thing, so that way it's easier for me to move if they want a color or to pick. And then this is what it looked like from that side. Boom. Now we're gonna turn over here, my nail station. I'm gonna get some cute nail photos and some stuff to put behind me, so you know it'll look not so plain right there. And then I just I have to still organize this, but you know, whatever. Everything that I pretty much use on a day-to-day basis, because y'all know it was all like in a little corner, and it just looks a lot neater this way. And then my desk is clear. I'm ready. Got the little fan. I end up putting a speaker on the wall because I just feel like it's a little bit better that way. I'm gonna bring my ring light up here tomorrow, my big one. The small one I packed up in the car because I'm gonna take that home. And then we just have over here, I'm gonna put a little sign up there that says open. We're gonna do some more getting together slowly but surely. But I'm about to go ahead and lock up and stuff and call this a video. I will see y'all in my next entrepreneur vlog. Y'all make sure y'all keep up with my journey. It's gonna be put together in here. I'm gonna put some flooring down right here. I'm gonna get it together. It's gonna look so nice in here, y'all. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video.